It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Jamrock TV. Today we're gonna make a nice little dish. We're gonna do some jerk chicken wings. Yeah man, some jerk chicken wings. So not gonna take that long to do because we're gonna do everything in the oven today. Yeah, I'm not gonna go outside in our garden or anything to do. I'm just gonna do everything inside the oven today. I'm gonna show you how to do. So from preparing it to cooking it and grilling it inside the oven. Alright? So without further ado, let's get into the seasoning process of the wings. So guys, we're back. As you can see, I've already gone ahead and washed my chicken wings, cleaned them. Make sure you clean your wings because there's some little feathers on them you need to get off. Alright, so make sure you clean them properly, wash them, you know. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put them into my container that I already have here. And I'm going to go ahead and season them. I'm going to use some jerk seasoning. And I'm also going to use some dry jerk seasoning, sorry. Yeah, I'm going to use some all-purpose seasoning. And then I'm gonna use some mild wet or marinade. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'll go ahead. That's about and add. I've already added my dry jerk season. Just add a bit of all-purpose seasoning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna incorporate everything. Give it a rub. And then guys, I'm gonna add not a lot, just bit of browning, just for a color. Yeah. That's finished. Okay. Because it's white meat, so you wanna make sure there's a bit of color. I think I might have to add just a bit more. That should be enough. And then I'll just oh guys, I'm using Walker's Wood, but you can use whichever jerk seasoning you want to use. I'm using just some Walker's Wood mild jerk seasoning, not too much spice. So use that. Alright. So I'm still gonna need some more, so I'm gonna open another one Add some more to it. Ooh, smells that. So, alright guys, so I'm gonna just yes guys, we're back. So we're gonna just place our chicken wing, all the wings, in this tray. So guys, here you have it, all the wings is in the tray. I'm gonna put some foil paper over it, and once I'm finished, I'm gonna put it in the oven. Alright? So let's just put some foil over, cover this thing. So guys, time to put this in the oven. So guys, there you have it. We'll put the wings in the oven, and we're gonna check back on it in 15 minutes time. Alright, so in 15 minutes time we should know where we're at, and then we'll take it from there. Alright, so see you guys in 15 minutes time when I'm checking on the wings. So guys, it's about what, 25 minutes now. I checked on it earlier, but I didn't record it. So, well, that's what we're working with after 25-30 minutes. Yeah, so that's how it looks after 25-30 minutes in the oven. And as you can see the quality, see the steam. So I'm still gonna check it now with a fork, and then if anything I put it back in for another 5-10 minutes max. Yeah, so you see all of that juice running out of there. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna put it back in the oven for about 5 more minutes max. Yeah, but I'm just gonna give them a quick turn before I do that, so it cooks evenly. So guys, it's been 5 minutes and I've just taken them out of the oven. Now, as you can see, the color, yeah, start to change. Start to give it that a color that you're looking for. You know? And when I do that, straight through. So I know it's cooked straight through already. Alright? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna fire up my grill in my oven. Yeah? And then just give it a quick run through on the grill. Probably about another 4 or 5 minutes max. Yeah? And then once I take it out, turn it over, and then I'll give it another 4 or 5 minutes on the grill inside there, alright? So I'll see you guys in a bit when I'm flipping them again after I take them out of the grill. Alright? So guys, 4 minutes in the on the grill inside the oven. You can see the color changed a lot. So I'm just gonna flip them, and then once I get them to this color, or probably a bit darker, then that will be it for the jerk wings. So once again guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like, comment, share. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a bit when I put these back in the oven after I flip them, and then I'll take them back out. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Bye. So guys, there you have it. That's the finished product. Jerk chicken wings, oven style. And if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thanks for watching this video. And if you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, like, yeah, share it as well, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and select all. So once I upload another video, then you'll be notified. Yeah? So don't miss out on all of this goodness right here. Subscriber that's been here from the start, I want to say thank you very much for supporting me, and I ask you to continue to support the channel. Right? And I'll see you next week with another video. Alright? So guys, welcome back. We're finished our jerk wings, and at the moment I'm gonna dip into these wings right now. I need to taste it because I already have my bone plate here. Yeah, this is for the bones, isn't it? So I'm gonna dig into this whole platter right here. Yeah, I'm gonna dig into it, and I'll tell you exactly how it tastes. I'm telling you, can't wait. Let's go. So look how easy it is off the bone. Wow, this is good. Guys, there's nothing left.
game. It's a rich thing.
Trust me. It is worth it. That's a little kick to it as well. Proper kick, you know. So guys, reach this part of the video. Yeah. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe to this channel because Jamrock keep COVID. No, this is not COVID. Anyway, and the other side, just keep yourself safe, you know. Remember social distancing. You know, protect yourself to protect me and to protect others at the end of the day. You know? So, as long as you're safe, we all are safe. Right? So we have to protect ourselves first before we can protect somebody else. So, back to the wings. Wow. What? I wish I could send you guys some. Safe travel. See you next week.